Good morning, welcome to the next weekly video. Week 3! Hopefully I do slightly better in filming this one than I did the last one, because the last one got very confusing in my little head. My head's cold today. Head and face is cold. So, first job first, kettle is on. I think I've left my mug in the wagon actually. And also, got some exciting news. Got some stickers. Look at them. Them's canny in there. Got some stickers. So now I officially have some stickers. Dad's been busy with his new toy. I'm gonna have to rewire it, I think, because there's wiring. Yeah, it's not to our standards. Well, you know, join us. I am in the wagon. I've got a night run tonight to go to Cockermouth. I'll start the quarry now, and I'll be getting loaded in a minute. I've just got to wait for this Scania to go down. Very nice Scania. He's before me, then I'm down, so I'll go get loaded up, and then we're going over to Cockermouth 595. Nice little run, go over the military, and it's a shame it's dark. I could have shown you some lovely views that we have over here, the military road, and going past all the Roman sites. But yeah, it is what it is. It's dark, so can't really show you much out the windows. Just waiting to pull under the plant. There's the front end of that lovely Scania. Get under the plant, get loaded up, and toot off over the road. Just getting me tar on now. I've got 6 ton on. There we are, 6 ton. She gets 20 on, and then, well, I'm on site now, so just wait and see. I've got to wait for that digger to move. It's right up there in the right hand lane. Let that go past, I go up and join the back of the queue onto the front of the queue. We'll see what's going on up there. On the paver now, so we'll get this tar tipped into the bin. He pushes up the road, it lays it, and then we drop the body when they shout and lift it up when they shout and all that, and yeah, hunky-dory. Tip, cleaned off and ready for home. Got to knock this job, so let's look hunky-dory, man. Let's get this away home now. Just got to find a way to get home now. Well, we're back at work again. I got in last night got back to the yard 12, back home for 1. Not bad. Update on Dad's bike. We painted the frame. Ta-da! We ended up not taking the engine out because it was going to be really awkward to take out. We masked it up as best we could. We got a little bit of overspray to take off in a couple of spots, but that's nothing to really worry about. We can get that off, no bother. And today, I think I have got to rewire it because the wire on it was questionable at best. Like Dad said, when he pulled the headlight apart, there was just wires floating around inside it, loose. So, also the ignition key wasn't wired up, so you could just start it straight up without the key, and you couldn't turn it off. So what we'll do is I'll film the wiring of it for the main video, and maybe just give you a couple little snippets while I'm busy. But should be a good day. Change of plans. So I'm not wiring the bike today. I just ordered all the cables and connectors and everything that I want for it, because we're going to do it with sort of as close to period correct cabling as we can. I can't get like 1939 German cabling, but I can get something that's close, so that's what we're doing instead of having it done with. I'll show you the state of this wiring. Chock block. Crap. So, ripping all that out and starting again. Dad just blasted the mudguards for it, and that one doesn't look too bad at that side. That side. Look at the state of that loveliness. Bah. Look at that. You don't see it when it's painted, repaired and painted. There's also a ton of holes and stuff that got weld up. Look at the state of that. What do you have in the back? Look at me, man. So, my job now is, instead of wiring, I'm going to weld them up, make them look right, or right there, better. Smooth them over a bit. It doesn't need to be perfect because it's a military bike, getting painted military colours. And we'll get the thing looking much better, much better. So I've welded up these ones, need to clean them ones off, those ones, and those ones. And I've also bashed and welded that seam up and welded some bit on to make that the right sort of shape. just have a check on the wagon, because I want to see if there's a bush moving on the back end. That's what's there. Make sure that doesn't need changes for MOT. So I've just got that to stand watching it while I rock it on the clutch, because you're not going to move it with a bar. So if I jump up here again, you see that there? Right. That's good news. So there's no play in the bush, which I'm happy about, so I don't have to replace that. Winner. So yeah, the wiring's just been delivered for Dad's bike, just underneath the wagon at the minute. Check my airbags off, and I'm gonna have to put new donut bags on, and that airbag, the main big bellows airbag up the top for the mid lift, on for MOT, but I'll go over that in the MOT video when I get that up. Well, been busy again with that bike, and today, because it's Wednesday, is it Wednesday? Thursday today. Dad painted the wheels and mudguards and stuff yesterday. I've got to fit the mudguards, Dad's fitting tyres new, and then we'll get it back rolling together again, so we can roll it around. So I've got the front levers on, clutch lever. I need to just redo the clutch cable, or at least shorten it, because obviously now I've put it all back in there, so that's in there, but it doesn't work until you wind all the adjustment all the way off, which is wrong. So what I'm going to do is pull this apart so I can shorten the cable. Well, some good news. I got the new ABS module, well, second-hand new, from my breakers. It's from a DAF. Hopefully it works. It's the same part number. Fingers crossed. Let's press the button and see whether we have a flash code for it now. Gotta get up and over without knocking the gear stick. So let's see, I need to press the button. It's down there, I need to press it down and hold it for a second. And that should flash that ABS light up. There, ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it starts again. Right, so the code is 77. But we've got flash codes, because before we didn't have flash codes. Get it? So fixed one thing. Now it's on fixing the next thing. Which should be able to fix, because I can know what it is to fix. Fingers crossed. Well, we've got no further forward with it yet. So it flashes now 6 times, which on the thingy comes up with that rear axle. I can't figure out what on that rear axle, and as you can tell, it's dark. I can't see properly. It's dark, it's getting cold, so I'm going to call it a night, and I'm going to come back tomorrow in the daytime and have a look. It's now Friday. Start the van. Good little van. I like this little van. I posted on, I think it was a Revs page, ERF, one of the ERF pages last night about the ABS fault, and someone has given me a trick to try, or given us the list of things I need to do, the flash code list, which is really handy, and also someone also pointed out that I haven't drove it yet. You know, when you work so hard on a job you forget the basics. I did that again. Just gonna get that started. Of course, I pointed up there for you, because who doesn't love a good cold start? That's got to be one of my favourite sounds, that. Let's get out of a little corner now. I'm just going to drive it out here now. It takes a couple of shunts, like, but we'll get it. So it's still coming up with the code 77, which there's no code for that in the ERF manual, but there's a code for that in the WABCO service manual. So I need to try and find it, and that comes up as the brake pressure sensor. Now I've got to try and find the brake pressure sensor on it now. Well, that's it for this weekly video. To be honest, I've lost where I was again, because the jobs that I've been doing have been going on for so long and mine tedious and stuff, so I've kind of lost where I've been. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying the weekly videos. I am debating whether to carry on with them because they do take up a lot of time. I am struggling to actually keep up with them. I might maybe do a bi-weekly one, so every 2 weeks or something like that, if I want to carry on. Next week I'm going to not do because I am off Monday and Tuesday for my birthday, and I don't know what's in next week, so I'll just leave that, and I'll carry on with the main videos up with the wagon, just sitting here, just still having problems trying to figure out this ABS fault. Dad's bike, I'll carry on with the videos on that properly as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoy them, and if you do, let us know in the comments below. It's the editing and uploading that takes the time. Yeah, we'll catch you all in a bit. I am going to go home and rest, and hopefully figure out if I can figure out what's wrong with this ABS fault on the wagon. Try and get her ready for MOT. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe for more stuff. We'll catch you all in a bit. Ta-ra for now.